Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
Here's the motion. Morning, this is the City of Orting arraignment calendar. I'm going to call the roll for the 8:30 calendar. Please answer. 8:45 calendar. Please answer if your name is called. Stephen Alvis. Let's see if you're online. Or am I on here? I did this last time and nobody heard me. All right. Brandon Bullion. Don Conroy. Good morning. Good morning. Laura Heminger. Stacy Jerome. Here. Good morning. And Ronald Warnock. I'm going to go through for everyone that's on the screen and in the courtroom. I'm going to go over the rights form. You're charged with a criminal offense that carries a possible jail sentence. You should understand you have the following rights. You are presumed innocent of any charge unless that charge is proven beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a speedy trial. If you're held in jail before trial, you must be brought to trial within 60 days of your commencement date. If you're released from jail, you must be brought to trial within 90 days of your commencement date. You have a constitutional right to a jury trial, unless you specifically give up that right by signing a jury trial waiver. You have the right to see, hear, and question all witnesses who testify against you. You have the right to call witnesses on your own behalf. You may have the court subpoena those witnesses to appear and testify at no prior expense to you. You have the right to testify on your own behalf. You also have the right to remain silent and not give any testimony or present any evidence in your defense. Your silence cannot be used against you. You have the right to be represented by an attorney of your own choosing at arraignment and at all proceedings. If after you're screened, it is determined you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you. Even though you do not have an attorney at arraignment, you do not waive your right to have an attorney at any later proceeding. For those of you who do have questions today, Mr. Rusnick is our standby counsel. He can answer those questions. If you feel you cannot have a fair trial because the bias or prejudice of a particular judge, you have the right to ask for a different judge within 10 days of assignment to that judge. You're entitled to only one change of judge. You have the right of appeal from any judgment of guilty entered by this court. To begin the appeal, you must file a written notice of appeal in this court within 30 days of that judgment. If you plead guilty, You give up or waive all of your rights except for your right to be represented by an attorney. If you are not a citizen of the United States, a plea of guilty to an offense punishable as a crime of state law may be grounds for deportation, exclusion from admission to the United States, or denial of naturalization pursuant to the laws of the United States. First case is Sean Conroy. Come forward.
Hand your paperwork up. Yes, ma'am.
Good. To the clerk.
CO is a hyphenate.
Go ahead and seat right there. No, seat right with Mr. Rusnick.
You're on review. Okay. You're all right. You're not supposed to be tonight.
All right, and I have reviewed your agency screening form. The information on this is accurate, sir. All right, so I do find that you qualify for the public defender, and I hereby appoint Mr. Rusnick to that role.
Thank you, Your Honor. God bless you.
Mr. Wilson, did you have a chance to look at the issue we've talked about on this case?
And you are Sean Conroy?
Yes, sir.
And what is your date of birth?
7/31/71.
Did you have the opportunity to review the statements of defendant's rights at arraignment this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand each and every one of those rights?
Indeed, I did, sir.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
Anything I'd like to go over?
Any of the rights that you'd like to go
no,
over?
negative.
You're charged by the City of Orting that on or about September 30th, 2021, in Orting, Washington, that you committed the crime of criminal trespass in the second degree. To that charge, I'm entering a plea of not guilty. Are you waiving further formal reading, Mr. Rusnick?
We are, Your Honor. Thank you.
And probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. City's position on release.
Your Honor, my understanding is he has posted bail. The city is asking him to remain,
Okay.
comply with any
Thomas Finney is also here.
trespass orders other than for court.
No objection.
I heard the mumble at the end, Mr. Walls.
Comply with any trespass orders other than to appear for court.
All right.
Excuse me. My wife and children have submitted handwritten statements for
Okay.
attempted murder charges.
Remember what we talked about? This is
okay,
about
sorry.
trespassing only.
Okay. But I'll come into court or the building.
Well, that's
my wife
something,
can take care of it.
that's something
Need the-
different. Yeah.
Where's our forms?
And Mr. Rusnick, did you have a chance to
Conditions
talk
of
about
release.
issues?
Well, I don't know. Did I grab them?
Not enough. I just replied to your email. Yeah. That may change, though.
Okay.
And you want this at 30 days or 14, Mr. Resnick?
As soon as possible,
Okay, and that would be
wherever we can squeeze them in. Aaron,
Yeah.
that's okay?
Yeah.
It is October 19th.
I believe.
Thomas Finney is also here, by the way.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Conray, I'm going to release you upon the posting of bail. I noted it is posted at $1,000. You're released. The next court date is 10/19, can't read my own writing, 10/19/2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Make all court appearances. Notify if you have any address change. Have no new law violations. And you shall not come on or be near the City of Orting City Hall or be within 500 feet of said premises except for court appearances as provided. Do you understand those conditions, sir?
No, does that include the park across the street?
You cannot come within 500 feet of this business. That is correct. And that is until further court order, and that is except for court appearances. And our court appearance is going to be 10/19.
Understood.
All right, thank you.
All right, so just make sure you get here on time.
When do we
10
talk?
a.m. Give me a call. You're going to get paperwork. You're going to get with my number and everything. Just give me a call.
Can we make complaints before we leave? Serious criminal charges that the feds are waiting for me to file right now?
That's beyond the jurisdiction of this court. That's something you got to deal with in Superior Court or federal court in Tacoma downtown. That's not something the municipal court has jurisdiction over. These are what's called courts.
What they did to me here.
Limited, yes.
With their federal
Yes,
license.
these are what are called courts of limited jurisdiction. In other words, they can only hear certain kinds of cases in certain
When you said
courts.
limited jurisdiction, I understood.
Right, okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Jerome, you're next.
Can we just discuss the evidence when I come back before court?
Yeah,
Okay.
give me a call. Give me a call, and when you do, make sure you.
Can I call you any time before this?
Yeah, you can call me at 2 in the morning. I have
Okay.
voicemail. Just
Do you
make sure you have a.
business card?
Yeah, just make sure that what you do is you leave a
I didn't finish that.
you leave a phone number where you can be reached, and good time when you're available to take calls.
Okay.
Okay, and that is really it. There you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Jerome? No. Yeah, hand that to her, please. All right. This is care of that. Do I want to suspend a second reading? Arriving at 9:26.
Let me check something out here. I almost suspended or something else. I can't remember. Interlock, okay.
All right,
Is this-
Mr. Jerome, based on the information, you do not qualify for a public defender at this time. Okay. And I do recommend, though, you talk to one because you have cases that obviously have significant jail time, so I need you to make sure you contact an attorney.
Okay.
All right, you are Stacy Jerome, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And did you have the opportunity to review the statements of defendant's rights agreement this morning?
Yes, I did.
Did you understand all those rights?
Yes, I did.
Are there any you'd like to go over at this time?
No.
All right, you're charged by the city of Orting with the following. On or about September 25th, 2021, in Orting, Washington, the city of Orting alleges you committed the crime of driving license suspended second degree. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. You're also charged on the same date with vehicle operator refusing to comply with the police officer. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. You're charged also on 9/25/2021 in Orting, Washington, with making a false statement to a public service. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive. Probable cause established based on the probable cause statement. And finally, on 9/26/2021, you're charged by the city of Orting with operating a motor vehicle without an ignition interlock as required. To that charge, a plea of not guilty is entered. Further formal readings hereby waive and probable cause is established based on the probable cause statement. Anything on release? Mr. Wells?
just contract with that license, and no further law violations appear to the court.
All right. I will release you on your own personal recognizance. Conditions of release are making all court appearances. We're going to set the next one on November 2nd, 2021 at 10 o'clock a.m. Notify of any address change, have no law violations, do not operate a motor vehicle without a valid license and insurance, and you cannot operate a motor vehicle unless it's equipped with a functioning ignition interlock as required by other court order. You understand those conditions, sir?
Yes, I do, sir.
All right.
I had it installed.
All right, thank you.
And we're tracking the infractions?
We're tracking the infraction.
Thank you. And you're going to make it to the other place on time.
All right.
You know how to get there?
Have a good day, sir.
Go to.
Yeah.
You told the judge I said hi too. I know him also.
All right. Let's see if there's anyone else here that's on this calendar. No. Styles. No. Luke Pollock. No. Douglas. No. All right, I'll call the 9:30 calendar. Please answer if your name is called. Emily Anderson. Trayvon Carter.
Here.
Good morning.
Morning.
Bonnie Cook Bays. Good morning. Shelley Cousineau. David Daniels. Good morning. Thomas Finney, you are here. Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Gordon Garza. Marion Graff. Robert Hanson. Annalisa Hillian. Markle Hodge. Zijun Hu. Ronnie Irish. Theodore Cox. Nathan Larson. Thomas O'Connor. I see Mr. Pollock, you're here. Good morning. Robin Smith, I see you. Good morning. Theodore Wall. All right. Is Miss Fisher here for Miss Cook? Okay. Trayvon Carter, are we ready on that one?
We are.
All right, let's go ahead and start with Mr. Carter. Good morning, Mr. Carter.
Good morning.
And you hear us all right?
Yep, I can hear you.
Great.
And
I do have proof that the DUI victims panel was completed.
Correct.
And let's see what else we have.
I have my ADIS class scheduled for this Saturday at 9 a.m.
Okay.
he did send me documentation of the.
All right. And anything else we're waiting for?
I believe that's it.
All right, so what was the date of the ADIS?
The 8th.
The 8th?
The 8th, October.
All right,
8th.
Mr. Carter?
Yes.
If we receive the ADIS by the 8th, I will not set a hearing if we don't have, or after the 8th, within a reasonable time after the 8th. If we don't have that, I will set a hearing. Other than that, I find that you're in compliance, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
Actually, this is an SOC. We're close to the end. If we could set a date, the second date of November.
All right, we're going to set the second date of November, excuse me, and the reason we're doing that is because if you're done, we're going to follow through and do what we're supposed to do at that point. So we're going to set this for November 16th at 9:30, okay? And hopefully with the dismissal at that time.
Mr. Carter,
All right.
so you can either have them send it or you can send it to the court directly, but make sure it gets sent in a timely fashion so you can get your case closed down, okay?
Yep, sounds good.
All right, have a good day.
All right, I appreciate it.
I'll just give my calendar again. Here's. All right, and right, David Daniels. Good morning. What are we? No, go ahead and have a seat with Mr. Rusnick. And what are we doing with Mr. Daniels today? Looks like
Go
ahead.
He does appear to be in compliance.
It's like an SOC. It's a 12 months, and it was signed on 10/6/2020. So we're at the end of the SOC.
That's correct, Your Honor. They moves to dismiss.
No objection.
All right. All right, Mr. Daniels, this case is dismissed with prejudice because of the completion of the SOC. Congratulations. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Just make sure you get your paperwork and you're all set. You don't have to sign anything.
Thomas Finney, good morning. We are ready for your case, and can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
All right, and what is the issue on Mr. Finney?
Your Honor, the first issue is he is asking to recall the warrant. No objection to that.
Okay, the warrant's recalled.
The next issue is that I believe he owes community service.
All right.
He just needs a little more time. I think he may have gotten a couple hours done, but he needed more time. Mr. Finney, have you gotten any more hours since we last talked?
All of my hours there are done at the one community center inside of Orting. What's it called? Recovery Cafe.
Recovery Cafe.
Yeah, I did all of my hours there.
All right, and do you have the proof of that yet?
I can go back there and have her write up all of this stuff, but she writ up half of it, and then I just didn't have my paper to verify all the other hours.
Set it out 2 weeks for him to get the documentation, strike the hearing if he can produce it. That's not fair?
Is that the only issue?
Unless there's something I'm not aware of.
All right.
All that I'm aware of.
All right, so we need proof of the 20 hours, and we'll need it by October 19th. If you have the information before October 19th, I will not set a hearing. If you have one, if you don't have it here, I will set a hearing.
Okay, so I'll need to have all of that stuff in there
You need to have proof
before
by
that
the
date.
19th.
Okay,
I'm not setting a hearing date right now, just to have the proof by the 19th.
got it. All
All
right.
right? And we're going to do a file check on that day.
Okay.
Files. I don't want to set a hearing right now. All right, and let's see. And still, well, who's the attorney showing up today? All right,
Mine?
No. Mr. Finney, you're done.
Okay, awesome. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.
You too. Yeah, I don't see the attorney on board yet. And anyone else supposed to be here on the 9:30 calendar? Let's see, Emily Anderson, no. Emily is here. Good morning.
Can you hear me?
Yes, is your attorney, Thomas Ballaroo, showing?
He's supposed to be here.
Okay, I do not see him yet. So
Well, that's
wait
not
for him.
surprising.
Well, he's still got 5-7 minutes. So
Okay.
we're a little bit early today. As Shelley Cousineau,
No, I haven't heard anything from her.
Gordon Garza, Marion Graff. Good morning.
Long time no see. How you doing?
All right, so we have Ms. Graff here on, looks like 3 matters.
You know, this deferred prosecution, I believe there's a treatment compliance issue.
All right.
Is that just financial, or is there another issue?
Financial.
Yeah. My understanding from the last one that I read, it was just that she was financially in arrears. Is there any other secondary issue that you're referring to, Mr. Walsh?
The docket indicates September 9th, crossroad treatment report dependent non-compliance.
Yeah. Was that for not going to the AAs? Not attending group?
No, I have to do my payments.
Yeah.
For my treatment.
Yeah.
But my husband passed away in July 31st, so I just barely went back to work last week.
Okay.
All right. So when do you think you can get back in, ma'am? I understand that's a big loss, and I apologize for the loss.
I'll call them and see if I can set up a payment plan or if I can pay something when my check comes the end of this week.
All right. So I would like you to get back in within the next 45 days. Okay. And we're going to set something for November 16th. I want you back in by then. Okay. All right.
Same time.
I understand the reason.
Same time.
Yeah, you're going to get
9:30. Yes, we're going to set the time. Thank you, Ms. Croft.
Okay. Good working here. It's going to be a little bit of time.
Right. Now we also have Ms. Hodge, is your attorney going to be here?
Yes, they should be.
And that's Chloe Anderson, correct?
Yes, and she's going to have someone step in for her today.
All right. It looks like the ones we're waiting for all have attorneys.
We have Luke Pollock.
Mr. Pollock is here. And is he on this counter?
He should be, yeah.
Let me see here.
He is.
Yes, Mr. Pollock is here. Good morning. We're
Hi.
ready for you. All right. What is the issue on Mr. Pollock?
Honor, I just filed a document. Mr. Pollock just sent it to me within the last 10 minutes, and I just sent it up to the court.
That's one of the issues. And the second one is he in compliance with treatment?
Mr. Pollock, are you in a treating relationship right now? Are you going to treatment?
No, the ADIS is the only thing that they're requiring, from my understanding.
Let me take a look here.
So June 23rd, the assessment was filed.
I have that. Meets the criteria for ASAM level of care 0.05, alcohol and drug information school.
Okay.
So that looks like the only requirement. That
Yeah.
what you have as well?
That sounds correct.
And otherwise, you see that he's in compliance?
Also, Robin Smith.
All right.
Yes.
I find that you're in compliance, Mr. Pollock. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
We have Robin Smith.
I'm here.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We have.
It's also treatment evict panel.
You need to provide proof of outpatient treatment, and you need to complete the DUI victim panel. Where are you at on that?
I have not been able to do that. Right now I have COVID, so I have not been able to get in there and do it. It was either closed down or I couldn't get it on my phone, so I have not taken that class yet. And as far as outpatient, I don't do outpatient. Afterwards, I just end up going. It's depressing. I'm doing fine without it.
But ma'am, you're under a court order to do it.
Oh. I didn't realize it was court ordered. I thought it was a voluntary thing. My apologies.
No, I don't call you into court and order you to do it if it's voluntary.
Well, I just thought the victims advocate panel was mandatory to do.
No, it's to obtain a drug and alcohol evaluation and follow all treatment requirements. Do the DUI victims panel. So we need to get that going, Mr. Walls.
In light of the COVID, city would ask to continue this 30 days for.
All right, I'm going to set this over for 30 days. You need to get in there, get the DUI victims panel done, and to initiate any treatment that they require. You understand, ma'am? I think you froze.
What?
There, she's back. Can you hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, so the two things you need to do is you need to get the DUI victims panel done, and you need to follow through with the treatment that's required. So you need to go back to the agency and do that, okay?
Do I have to go to Okay, how long do I have to go to outpatient treatment as a quarter to go to outpatient treatment?
As long as they require.
Oh, okay.
All right. So we
Yep.
are going to set this over until November 16th. We'll see how you're doing on November 16th. Okay?
Okay. I
All right.
appreciate it. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you. Have a good day.
You too.
I have Theodore Cox.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. And what do we need to do with Mr. Cox?
I think Mr. Cox had a relapse, but he's back in, and he signed a last chance contract with Lakeside Milam, and I think he's back on track now as far as compliance issues, unless there's some outstanding legal financial obligation or something else that I'm not aware of.
Mr. Cox, can you update us?
Yes, sir. I still owe the $500 fine.
No, let's talk about what the treatment agency as opposed to the court. Are you in compliance with treatment now?
Yes, sir. I'm in at the end of phase 2. I've been attending every class on time.
Okay, and you had a relapse, and then you signed a last chance contract. When did that happen?
Oh, month and a half ago.
In the beginning.
Okay.
Month and a half ago.
All right. And you progressed, and you're doing what you're supposed to do since then?
Yes, sir, I am. I'm attending at 8.
And you understand that at this point you need not to mess up again. You understand that?
Yes, sir, I do.
Okay. All right. With the court, you'll eventually get in financial compliance. Remember that if you can't make a payment with the court, just call us and we do work with you still. All right. So if you're unable to make a payment, just go ahead, and even if you're making $25 a month payments, whatever you do, if you can't make one, just call the court and we're going to work with you. Okay.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
So why don't you call the court later on after court's hours, so somewhere around 3 or 4 today, and make arrangements. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So stay in treatment. Okay. Continue to give us those updates on treatment. And right now, I'm going to find that you are in compliance with the treatment requirements. And we are going to note that the relapse occurred, that you're signing that you have signed a last chance contract, and it is your last chance. So please listen to that, okay?
Yes, sir, I will.
All right. Good luck to you, sir. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.
Bye-bye.
All right, I will go ahead and, since I don't have the attorneys are not here yet, I will call the next calendar.
Your Honor, Mr. Ballard has been here for Miss Anderson.
For Miss Anderson, all right.
Can I step out for a minute, Your Honor?
Yes.
One thing I've got to deal with in another court very quickly. Thank you. We're ahead of schedule.
That's all we're missing. Oh, we got a letter? Okay. Who's it from? All right. Miss Anderson.
Yes.
I think, is that the only issue is community service hours?
That is my understanding.
Yeah.
Right, so I did get an email from, I don't know what it is, but it does, I can't tell if it's a nonprofit agency because the person doesn't have a UBI number.
When did the court get that?
We just got it, it looks like at 9:31.
This is an SSC agreement.
Okay, that is up to you.
I have not received it.
Why don't we forward that to Mr. Walls right now? I don't think so. I found him in compliance. He's in compliance, except for financial. He's supposed to call you.
So this says that there's 6 hours. And I believe that 36 hours is required under the SOC.
May I be heard, Your Honor?
Yes.
Thank you. My client has completed in excess of 50 hours, but there haven't been acceptable hours, and she wasn't operating with proof that it was a nonprofit organization, and we don't take issue with Mr. Wall's requirement because it mirrors the requirement of the court. But she donated time without earning money to 2 different organizations. We've now found one that will work with her, let's call it my client's COVID protocol, and that's City of Tenino Historical District, which is obviously a nonprofit. So she's been making, I will tell you, great efforts to do it. She's helped the community in a lot of ways, but now we have 30 hours remaining to an organization that I'm sure is acceptable to both the city's prosecutor and the court. So we would ask that a check file be set for some time around Thanksgiving. We'll file proof.
Do you have a speedy trial waiver prepared?
May we send that ex parte within 24 hours, Your Honor? My legal secretary is not here yet.
Right now, this is a contract between you and the city. If that's acceptable by the city, I'll accept that.
I'm certainly willing to look at the hours. I do need a speedy trial waiver to continue any further.
All right. So I will order that a speedy trial waiver be here within 24 hours and that the community service be done. I'll just frankly say by Thanksgiving with a acceptable place with the UBI number. And we will do that. I will, at that point, we'll check file if, actually, is this the end, Mr. Walls?
We're past where the end was supposed to be.
All right, so then we'll set this for December, what's the first date? December 7th for final review. And that will be with a new commencement date on December 7th for the speedy trial waiver, counsel. Okay? All right, so we'll see that within 24 hours.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day, everyone.
You guys have a good day too. Thank you. Attorney Ryan, who are you here for?
Thomas O'Connor, Your Honor.
All right. And I don't know, is that one we've been waiting for?
Review for proof of treatment and victim panel. We did get yesterday.
Mr. O'Connor with you?
He told me he was. Okay.
I'm here. Okay, yes. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, so Mr. Walls?
On for proof of treatment and victim panel, I did get documents, but I didn't find them.
I have a 831 chemical dependency evaluation from the social summary right here. Have you seen that?
I think, is that the eval? Yeah, I have that. And I have the victim panel ADS as well.
All right. And is there a requirement of treatment?
Yes.
And Mr. O'Connor, have you initiated the treatment?
Which treatment now are we talking about? I've been to quite a few lately.
From the STOP program, they have a treatment program required?
I was not aware of that one. As far as I know, the treatment program I was given from STOP was the Cascade Behavioral in Tequila.
The treatment says that recommended treatment program inpatient, length to be determined by facility, intensive outpatient 3-hour groups, 3 times per week, 2 months, outpatient 1.5 groups, 1 time per week, 4 months, follow-up 1-hour groups, 1 time per month, length 6 months. That also will consist of individual therapy, ancillary recommendations, attend a minimum of 2 sober groups, attend 4 individual sessions, attend 3 individual sessions. That's what the
Your Honor, may I?
I'm so done with these guys.
This is Thomas. Just hold on,
Yes.
okay? Your Honor, this is for the record, Ryan Anderson for Thomas O'Connor. Mr. O'Connor and I have had conversations about this, and I think he was a little fuzzy for a while because he thought because he did the inpatient treatment about the outpatient requirement. He and I have discussed it. He understands that. I think he's getting an understanding this morning of kind of what I was expressing to him and what we were talking about. So I think it sounds like Thomas is finally understanding that he needs to get into intensive outpatient treatment, right, Thomas?
Well, I was not aware of that until now.
Thomas, you understand you need to get into intensive outpatient treatment, right?
I do now.
Okay, see, the answer is yes. So we would just ask Your Honor to find him in substantial compliance. He did the ADIS, the Victims Impact Panel, and give us maybe 30 more days so that Mr. O'Connor can get enrolled in intensive outpatient treatment. Thank you.
And Your Honor, I am aware he did the inpatient treatment. That was the most important part. And he's now done the victim panel ADS. So he is making steps. I think the aftercare is important. It is in the treatment plan, but no objection to giving him more time to get that.
At this point, I am going to have you initiate the program. And if I have proof within 30 days, I will not set a hearing. If I have no proof, I will set a hearing. We're going to do a file check on it.
Thank you.
You understand, Mr. O'Connor?
I do.
All right. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you. So let's do a file check on that. And anyone else that would have been on that calendar. And all right, is the attorney for Miss Bays here? No, I think we saw somebody.
Yes, Your Honor. Tim Lewis appearing on behalf of Ms. Bays.
All right, come forward, Miss Bays.
Thank you.
And this is the deferred prosecution review. I'm not sure exactly.
It says no compliance since May, but I have a September 9th, to whom it may concern, Bonnie Cook-Bay's date of birth has been reliable patient at the Puget Sound Pain Clinic, is maintained on her therapy. She wishes to stop the opioids and has chosen a detoxification approach. Let's see, this is all, I don't know if you've seen this or not, Mr. Wells.
I have not. I will defer the court.
Your Honor, here is my record.
You can just get the court.
Actually, if you haven't seen it, I've seen that and this.
No, this one.
This is the.
This is new. Rena just delivered it.
I'll have you redo this.
What the compliance requirements are. This is a deferred prosecution, correct?
That's
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, we're on for treatment review. Ms. Bays is currently on a deferred prosecution.
So, from my understanding from these documents, there was a relapse. She's back in detoxification, and then we'll planning to return to the deferred prosecution program. Mr. Lewis, is that correct?
Well, and I'm sorry, I didn't hear that last part. What I can tell the court is Ms. Bays is currently attending her classes at Recovery Cafe. I don't believe they have submitted any reports to the court, which is something that we are working with them on. She has also been attending classes at STOP, but unfortunately the key counselors she was seeing at STOP are no longer employed there. But I believe that we have filed some documentation with the court showing treatment in class attendance at STOP.
We have the Recovery Cafe reports through 98.
Very good, thank you. Yeah, I was under the impression that those had not yet been filed, but that is good to hear. Also, I guess the last thing I was going to note was that Ms. Bays was in I think a pretty serious car accident in June, late June, and has now done, she was put on pain meds and has now completed a 1-week detox at Shadle. And I believe proof of that treatment has been filed with the court as well.
All right, so what we don't have is anything from STOP since May.
Okay. And I'm not sure why that is. She has been, per my notes, she has been attending the meetings at STOP. There has been that change in the counselor she was seeing due to changes in their staffing. But we can certainly follow up with STOP and get the most up-to-date documentation showing her compliance there and make sure we file with that with the court in short order.
Well, you should probably ask your attorney if you should say something.
Oh, can I say something?
Ms. Bays, are you present there in the courtroom?
Yes, she is.
I am.
All right, I'm sorry, I did not realize that she was. Ms. Bays, my preference, well, if you have some additional information regarding your treatment compliance that you would like to share with the court, that's fine. I would ask that if you have any other statements or information that you wanted to make, that you discuss that with us prior to making those statements.
Okay, I was going to talk about STOP and the counselors quitting. They did not offer any classes for 2 months after Andrew quit. So I went ahead and went to 24-hour Zoom meeting with Andrew recommended and went to those on a monthly basis. Then Kirsla, I went into hers and then she quit, and they didn't offer any classes for anybody because they couldn't find a counselor. So I continued doing the 24-hour meetings, and then Jeff just started within the last month.
Our counsel, obviously our biggest problem is we have no information regarding this.
And Your Honor, specifically, that is from STOP?
We have no treatment reports whatsoever. What we have is a detoxification report, and we have the recovery cafe reports of her meetings, but we don't have any treatment reports.
All right.
I think that we need to set this for 30 days, and I need those treatment reports within 30 days. We need to know what's going on. We need to make sure she's complying. We need to know that she's progressing.
Of course.
All right. So we're going to give her a date for. We're going to give her a date for. That would be November 16th at 9:30. Okay.
November 16th at 9:30.
Yeah. And I do prefer that to make sure she understands what she's saying if it comes through counsel.
I'm sorry.
No. I just don't want you to say something your attorney doesn't want you to say on the record. Correct, counsel?
That is absolutely correct, Your Honor. Thank you.
I thought I heard you say that loud and clear. Just wanted to make sure.
Yes.
All right. I'll have her sign this, and we'll send you the notice. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. And Ms. Bays, if you would please give us a call so that we can confer with you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day.
No, it's the same.
Your Honor, I see Mr. Britton is here. He has 2 infractions on the 930 that are ready to go.
All right. And still, who are we waiting for on Markle Hodge?
Thank you.
Aunt Chloe Anderson, have you heard from her?
Good morning, Your Honor.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Tracy Nubens, and I'm actually covering for Chloe Anderson
Great.
this morning.
Okay.
And it looks like we're missing treatment reports.
All right. And you have Markle Hodge there. The issue is treatment reports. What can you tell us?
Your Honor, Ms. Merkel has been receiving treatment.
The last treatment report is from June 2021. So remember, we're in October now. We haven't seen the last 3 months. July, August, and September's. Ms. Markle, can you hear us?
Markel, yeah, I can. I've been going to my weekly groups that we have, and I've been doing my one-on-ones. Should I contact them?
But nobody has been providing proof to the court, and unless we have proof, we don't know what's going on. So somebody has to provide the proof to the court.
Okay, should I call the place I've been going to and tell them to update you guys?
Yeah, they should be sending us reports monthly, and like I said, the last one we have is since June, and that's a long gap, so we do need that information, and we need it. I'll set it for 30 days. Go ahead and set this for 30 days, and we will see what the reports say at that point. Is there anything else besides the treatment requirements, Mr. Walls?
Not that I'm aware of.
That's what we're waiting for, is treatment reports, and once we see, hopefully we'll find you in compliance and kick you out of court for a while.
No, I do know we did go through, I had 3 counselors, and I believe that's when my new counselor took over. So I will contact her today and make sure she sends them to you.
All right. So make sure, and then we'll, like I said, I want to see where you are, and that'll be on November 16th at 9:30.
Oh, yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, what isn't that? Hold on. Is that November 16th is fine. And you're right, I did, but I can't do math. You guys are free to go. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
And anyone else on there from the earlier calendars? We have Annalisa Hillian here, and that's a Matt case.
And Mr. Britton's here on the 930s as well.
All right. And are those traffic tickets or?
Yeah, Mr. Garza.
Okay. What are we doing, Mr. Garza?
Yeah, the city is moving to dismiss actually both of these infractions with $25 cost for the insurance.
Okay. All right. Dismiss $25. Dismiss the speeding, no charge. Wait, I think I heard Mr. Britton object. Is he here still? There you are. You're on mute. I'm thinking I'm talking to Barb or something. You're still on mute, Ross. There you go. Did you finally get Miss Bowden in to help you?
I did, Your Honor. I don't know if we're having bandwidth issues, maybe too many attorneys on Zoom type hearings.
Yeah,
Because
excuses. All right. Any others for Mr. Britton?
Yes, Your Honor. Ronnie Irish,
Ronnie Irish.
still on the 9:30.
All right.
That is the motion to amend to a nuisance violation at 150.
no objection, Your Honor.
I assume you didn't object to the first one.
No, did absolutely not object to the prior case either.
All right, we're amending this to nuisance and making the finding of committed. The fine is $150. Upon payment, the case is closed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And does that conclude you for today?
It does, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You as well. Thank you, Mr. Walls.
You're welcome. We have Ms. Hillian is on the 9:30 for review. I think that is actually Mr. Rusnick's case, but I believe she's in compliance.
All right. So let's go ahead and take a look. If she's in compliance, we can have her go.
There was previously a note she was in compliance, and then this hearing was set. I'm not entirely sure.
Let's see
why it was set. Maybe just the
from, I don't know what the Brent Strobeck sent. I don't know if that's anything we need to deal with.
That was, she made a payment on the restitution. And
okay.
That's been issued. So that's, I think she's continuing to make payments. I do see a recent one.
All right. And she's in compliance?
As far as I'm aware, there are no issues.
Mr. Rusnick, it looks like we're finding Miss Annalicia Hillian in compliance.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you.
And you have no notice that she's not?
No, I do not, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Hillian, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Your Honor.
It sounds like you're in compliance.
Yes, sir. And I also, I have an updated compliance report from my treatment. I've also completed in this time, I've completed intensive inpatient. I just completed my outpatient, and I'll have a year sober in November. So I'm doing good.
Congratulations. Can you make sure you send that information to us?
I definitely will. Thank you.
All right. Right now, I'm finding you compliance. I'm awaiting for that information, though. Okay?
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And did you have anybody here on Zishan Hu? Boris Petrenko is the attorney.
I could not find it. We had traded some emails, but I did not see an order, so I'm not sure if he was planning on appearing.
Okay.
And then I do have paperwork on Mr. Larson, but I see Mr. Wall is here as well.
I am.
Good morning.
Morning.
And I think we're looking for anger management from Mr. Wall.
I have a letter from Stop.
Okay, have you sent that to us yet?
No, I have. She would. She said she would, but I have it on camera right now.
Yeah, it's.
It does appear from Stop saying he had done anger management. It does appear he had done that. I think if he just sends us a copy of that.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Wall, we'll need you to send us an actual copy of that because they have not sent it to us. And that's the only thing I had on my last order.
Right. And so he was just sentenced in July, so he's otherwise in compliance, I think.
All right, we'll find you in compliance, but I need that information.
Okay.
All right, sir. All right, thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
You too.
Court and have them make it. All right, and I'm going to. I have not heard from Mr. Hanson, Robert Hanson.
I did speak to him. I thought he would be attending today via Zoom. I still think he may log in.
All right, Shelley Cousineau? Oh, you're here, good. I have Ms. Cousineau here.
Do we want to take her now?
Yes? And we have Stop. Who's this? Oh, him, Carl.
Where you been?
So apparently, is there a warrant? The warrant's going to be quashed. Now what?
But apparently they didn't, so I drove over there and got it.
Says I have a.
So ultimately, we're looking for mental health eval and treatment. However, there is a pending felony violation.
And who's
Yeah,
the
I
Enum
do.
Claw here for?
That's with Pierce County. For, breaking in.
We have also Enum Claw Jail online for Rachel Friend, if we could take her notes.